Do people think that penalties for sex crimes are not going to be severe? Attorney Jonathan Sills says, I believe in some cases, yes. And I would say those are much more in the situations in which both parties actually feel that they are consenting. This applies to situations when you see termed statutory rape where the person is underage. There could be an assault in the second degree where the person is 3 years older than the person and the abused is underage. Even though both parties may have said, yes, we're consenting to this, they may have felt that they were doing it with full consent of both parties. The minor child's parents find out, they call the police, and the investigation ensues. And then purely because of that age difference, it's considered as second-degree assault, a statutory rape, which the penalties can be very serious, and generally there's mandatory jail time associated with it. So yes, I would say in that situation, the parties come into it thinking, okay, we both consented to this, you know. Who is anyone to tell us what to do? But the law says otherwise. Another area in which I would say that getting into this, people don't think it to be as serious as is in a committed relationship or a spousal setting, and there is an argument. An individual calls the police and says, he tried to force himself on me, but then later on says, it didn't really happen that way, and changes their story. Oftentimes you do see the state still pursuing those charges, even without the cooperation of the other party, because it's the state bringing the charges, not necessarily the person who initially made the complaint. For a free consultation, call attorney Jonathan Sills at 800-608-6636 or visit his website at www.ctcriminallawattorney.com.